Maayong hapon sa tanan, brothers and sisters in our Lord Jesus Christ. Kuya Nico na po ni guys. Karong hapuna mag-share lagamay si Kuya Nico about important things, teachings, perspective of the Catholic faith in our life, in our world, and everything that somehow that are very important in our day-to-day life and existence. So number one thing nga gusto i-share ni Kuya Nico today is that faith and science are not contradicting each other, or faith and reason, according to Saint John Paul II the Great, that these are the two wings duha ka pako wherein the human person can reach the mysteries of our Lord Jesus Christ. So kung moingon sila nga ang religion is somehow old school, faith to lang without any explanation, and science on the other hand can explain everything already today, no, sa atong society, sa atong kalibutan, sa atong kinabuhi. The church, the Catholic faith, would argue that faith and science and religion are not enemies to each other. I think very important and very good na makareflect kaya nga naman, first of all, the object, the very heart center of religion or faith is God, no? Unya unsa man ang object or very heart center of science is creation. Therefore, if God is the creator of all things visible and invisible, so His presence, His reality, His essence, His very being would also reflect into the works that He has done, which is the creation, no? So ana ganitong isa ka scientist nga, science discovers, do not create, no? It discovers how creation works, what's the flow, the very mystery of creation, how it survives and how it works, but it will not explain why creation exists, no? Because creation, from the very word creation, gibuhat ra siya by a creator. Therefore, creation, with all its beauty and grandeur, should reflect the very being, the very existence of its creator, no? Which is our Lord. And that Lord, that God, did not stay hidden or away from us, no? He even shows Himself. He revealed Himself. Number one, through creation, and number two, by being incarnate, no? In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God, and everything was created through that Word. Therefore, wala lang nagstay og indifferent si Lord no nga away from us. He's not just a watchmaker, but He has revealed Himself in the fullness of time into His only begotten Son, our Lord Jesus Christ. So muna siyang one of the beauty, mystery of our Catholic faith that I think important kay nga maka-realize ta, maka-reflect ta, especially this time of Advent, no? It's a sacred waiting, a holy waiting for the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. God became who we are so that we might become who and what He is. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.